All right, I hope you did well on your checkup, and we're going to move on to pages 37 to 39. Again, this is a fairly easy concept. We're using area of a triangle as 1/2 the base times the height, where b here means base, and the height is the height of the triangle. But using this as our reference triangle now, A is going to be the base, okay? And we don't know what this height is. So we're going to do the base times, we've got to figure out what this is, and then divide by 2. Well, notice, to figure this out, if I just look at this triangle here coming straight down, this is the hypotenuse then of this right triangle, right? And if I know angle C, then I can find this opposite side by multiplying B times the sine of angle C. Okay? Once I do that, B times the sine of C, I'll know what that height is, and then I can multiply the base times that quantity and divide by 2. So really, that's where this formula comes from that they give us. Is A is the base, so that's not the base here. A is the base of the triangle, and then multiplying B times the sine of C, that whole thing gives us the H, okay? So if we want to match it up here, this matches up with this, and this is the same as the height, and then divide by 2, okay? So one of the cool things that happens a lot in higher level math, and we see this a lot in physics, and if you get to college and do math in college, a lot of what they're doing is taking known formulas and other known formulas and then meshing them together to come up with new formulas, and then simplifying those new formulas and just plugging in numbers, okay? But it's helpful to know where those things come from. Anyways, all that to say, this is another section where it's just a matter of plugging in numbers and solving, and you get it right. Now the next section, I'm having to study a little bit more to make sure I'm understanding it and ready to make the next video, okay? So I hope you do well on this section, finding area of triangles.